Alright, so now we're going to do the update book. So I think we got this book of type models.book. So now we're going to send in data to the server. So we're going to have to read this, the request.body, handle the error, and then we're going to unmarshal it. We're going to pass that data, which is a string of bytes, and we're going to put it into that book struct, that variable there. Okay, so that is that, and then and do models dot get book by ID. So the other thing is we're gonna do error. Well, it's already been defined. Is equal to string com dot parse int comma 0 comma 64. Let's see. So then we're gonna do param dot by name book ID. So we're going to do ID error. I'm going to do that. Actually, so that is that error. Wait, okay, so data error. Okay, and then we're doing the marshalling. And then we're doing this, and then if error nil, then we're gonna dot fatal and the error get book by ID. So we're gonna pass in an int, and then we're gonna say the new book, comma db. That's what we're getting. So this is a pointer to gorm.db, this is a pointer to the books.model. Okay, so now we're gonna say if right, so the book is what so that contains the data that we read in from the request. So now if book dot name is not equal empty, right? So if we updated it, then that new book dot name is equal to the book dot name, right? Whatever we passed in is now being applied to the book that we got from the database. All right, and then if book dot author is not equal, oops, empty string, then again the new book dot author is equal to book dot author. And then lastly, if book dot publication is also, oops, not empty, then the new book dot whoops, no wonder why. New book dot publication is equal to book dot publication. Oops, publication. All right, so now we're updating that, and then we're gonna marshal that new book, right? Oh, and then actually we're gonna go db that we got dot, we're gonna do save. If, what is it saying? Oh, I'm sorry, I gotta put and new book. Okay. So we're gonna save that, and then we're gonna marshal that, handle that error, and send back the new information. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this hadn't been declared, the error has, but so I had to do the colon equal sign. Okay, so now I was like, why am I getting an error? Everything's okay. Yeah, the client. All right, so now the last thing is delete book. Um, delete book takes in an ID and then returns a new book. All right, so actually for this one, I'm gonna just copy this. So we have an ID, we're gonna parse it, right? And then this is of type models.book because that's what that returns. And then we're gonna marshal that. I don't even think I need to. It's just gonna return that. So I can just marshal that. But this is, so that's a pointer, yeah. So I'm gonna handle that error and then write the response back. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, so in the next video, we will test this out.